Welcome to AskPrep, your trusted companion for UPSC and IAS preparation. Today we will study about a very important topic of technology, which is drones, applications beyond aerial photography. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, have emerged as one of the most versatile technologies of the 21st century. While their use in aerial photography is well known, drones have applications that go far beyond capturing breathtaking images and videos. For IAS and UPSC aspirants, understanding the multifaceted utility of drones is critical, as they are increasingly being integrated into governance, disaster management, agriculture, and various other fields. Let's begin by understanding how drones have transformed the field of disaster management. In times of natural calamities like earthquakes, floods, or cyclones, drones play a crucial role in conducting search and rescue operations. Equipped with high-resolution cameras, thermal imaging sensors, and GPS systems, drones can access areas that are difficult or unsafe for humans to reach. They provide real-time visuals, helping authorities assess damage, locate survivors, and deliver essential supplies like food and medicines. For example, during the Kerala floods in India, drones were extensively used to map flooded regions and coordinate relief efforts efficiently. In agriculture, drones are revolutionizing traditional farming practices. They enable precision farming by monitoring crop health, analyzing soil conditions, and even spraying fertilizers or pesticides. With multispectral sensors, drones can identify pest infestations or nutrient deficiencies early, allowing farmers to take targeted actions. This not only increases crop yields but also reduces the environmental impact of farming. Additionally, drones can map large agricultural fields quickly, providing valuable insights that would otherwise require significant time and labor. Drones are also playing a significant role in infrastructure development. They are being used to survey construction sites, inspect bridges, and monitor the progress of large-scale projects. For instance, the government's Bharatmala and Sagarmala projects, aimed at improving India's road and port infrastructure, have employed drones for efficient monitoring and data collection. By providing accurate and high-resolution topographical data, drones reduce the need for manual surveys, saving time and resources. In the healthcare sector, drones are being used to deliver medical supplies, especially in remote or disaster-stricken areas. In Rwanda, drones have been successfully deployed to transport blood and vaccines to rural healthcare centers, saving lives in critical situations. This application has immense potential in India, particularly in regions with difficult terrain or inadequate infrastructure. Another significant application of drones is in law enforcement and internal security. Drones are used for surveillance during large public gatherings, border patrolling, and anti-terrorism operations. They provide real-time intelligence, helping security forces respond swiftly and effectively to threats. For instance, drones are being used along India's borders to monitor infiltration attempts and ensure national security. The defense sector has been a pioneer in the adoption of drone technology. Drones are extensively used for reconnaissance, surveillance, and combat operations. Armed drones can carry out precision strikes, minimizing collateral damage. In recent years, India has strengthened its drone capabilities through initiatives like the induction of Heron drones and indigenous development under the Make in India campaign. E-commerce and logistics are other areas where drones are making a significant impact. Companies like Amazon and Zomato are exploring the use of drones for last-mile delivery of packages and food. This has the potential to revolutionize the logistics industry, reducing delivery times and operational costs. In India, experiments with drone delivery are already underway, particularly for essential items like medicines and vaccines. In mining and energy sectors, drones are being used for exploration, inspection, and maintenance. They can survey mines, inspect oil rigs, and monitor pipelines, enhancing safety and efficiency. Thermal imaging drones, for instance, can identify gas leaks or equipment failures in real time, preventing accidents and reducing downtime. Despite their numerous benefits, the use of drones also raises challenges and concerns. One major issue is the regulation of airspace to prevent accidents and misuse. In India, the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, DGCA, has established guidelines for the operation of drones, including mandatory registration and no-fly zones. Ensuring compliance with these regulations is crucial for the safe and responsible use of drones. Privacy is another concern. Drones equipped with cameras can inadvertently or intentionally invade people's privacy. This calls for stringent laws and ethical practices to prevent misuse. Cybersecurity is also critical, as drones can be vulnerable to hacking or unauthorized control. Cost and accessibility remain barriers, especially for small-scale users like individual farmers or startups. While the government has introduced schemes to promote the indigenization and affordability of drone technology, more efforts are needed to make it accessible to all sections of society. For UPSC aspirants, understanding the applications and implications of drones is vital, as they intersect with multiple areas like science and technology, governance, security, and environmental conservation. Questions on drones can appear in prelims, mains, and even the essay paper. For instance, you may be asked to discuss the role of drones in disaster management or analyze their potential in enhancing India's defense capabilities. In conclusion, drones are far more than tools for aerial photography. They represent a technological leap with applications that span across sectors, from agriculture and healthcare to governance and national security. However, their effective integration requires addressing challenges like regulation, privacy, and affordability. As future administrators, it is essential to recognize the transformative potential of drones and leverage them responsibly for the betterment of society. At AskPrep, our mission is to equip you with knowledge that not only helps you crack the UPSC exams but also prepares you to tackle real-world challenges. Keep learning, stay curious, and remember, technology is a tool for empowerment. When used wisely, it can shape a brighter future for all. Thank you. This is AskPrep, your guide to mastering UPSC and IS preparation. Let's decode complex topics and simplify your journey to success.